ilalagay yung selfie stick.
Pag gusto kong alisin, thread ulit.
Yes.
Hindi siya snap-on na.
Hindi, wala kang quick release sir sa X series. Ang usual na quick release po kasi is Ace Pro, tapos GoPro na.
Welcome to the program. You're watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santa Maria. I hope you could all join me today. We're in my car, obviously. We're on our way to the mall. Bibili tayo ng bagong vlogging camera. Yay! It's always fun when you're out to buy new stuff, lalo na mga importanteng stuff. Yung vlogging camera natin is an important. I've been using this Insta360 Go 2 for 2 years already. Okay? Plano na niyang mag-retire. Early retirement. Kasi may konting biyak na siya sa hinges, no? Tsaka gumagalaw na. It's not supposed to do that. Pero napakadaming vlogs na na-produce nitong camera na to. So it's time for the camera to go. Yes, I could have it repaired. I've asked the supplier. Pwede naman. Pero subject to availability of parts pa and maghihintay pa ako. That's fine. I will get it repaired. Pero it's time na rin to buy a new camera. So let's head to the mall. May retailer ng Insta360 sa Alabang Town Center. Urban Gadgets yata yung pangalan, and that's where we're going. Join me. Alright, so the camera that I'm using right now is my go-to. Yung bala kong ipa-repair. Yung camera functions naman niya, gumagana pa. Ang sira lang naman niya is the hinge. Yeah, the hinge is important kasi charging dock to eh. Kapag nag-disconnect siya, baka hindi na mag-charge, baka hindi na siya mag-communicate with the main whatever, no? Baka magkaroon ng mga problems with syncing, among other things. Okay, obviously we're going down first. We're gonna pick up a few groceries. Unahin na natin yon. And we're gonna do that here sa Metro Supermarket. I'm building a week-long menu. And we've recently decided to increase our vegetable intake as a family. Increase fiber intake, vegetable intake. Bawas ng carbs and useless sugars. Pwede to? So now, I'm looking for garlic, yung balat na, naka-plastic tray na. Kasi kung meron na nun, syempre yun ang kukunin ko. It's just more convenient that way, but I don't see any. By the way, dito sa Metro, hindi naman ako madalas dito. I usually pick up my groceries at Evia, kasi yun ang malapit. Okay, so meron na siyang balat na patatas, balat na carrots, but I don't see the garlic. Okay, sige. Babalat tayo ng garlic. And I don't mind that. Teka, ayoko nito. Doon tayo sa kabila. bigger ones. That's good. Alright, we're going to the camera store. Nadaanan ko pala si Judy Ann Santos and si Ryan Agoncillo. Nakita ko sila kasalubong ko. No? May fan na humarang, nagpa-picture. While that's nice, no? Nakakaawa din na that family just wants to walk in the mall. Tapos, I'm sure hindi lang yun yung una lumapit. Ito na siya.
Black tayo, sir.
Oh, yung black sana.
Medyo
That's
rare
really
yung
nice.
gray,
Oo.
Mahirap makuha.
Anong price niya?
26,990 yung SRP po, pero naka-ano siya, 24,290
Okay.
sa straight payment.
Okay. Interested din ako sa X4.
Okay.
So, pwede makita. Magkano naman ang X4?
30,990, sir. Then
Okay.
ngayon, 26,390 po.
Sige. Ito ba siya?
X3 yan.
X3.
Yes.
Pero same size ba ng X4 din yan?
Mas malaki po yung X4.
Mas malaki ang X4.
Yes.
Okay. Malaki pala. May accessories din kayo nito, like yung wind muffs para sa... Wala.
Yung available accessories lang po kasi namin ito sa invisible selfie stick,
I see.
floating, lens guard, charger, and
Sa pack nito, may kasama ba siyang selfie stick?
wala po.
Bibili pa
separately
separate.
talaga, sir, yung accessories po natin.
I see. Gusto kong alisin, thread ulit.
Yes,
yes.
Hindi siya snap-on na...
Hindi po. Wala kang quick release, sir, sa ano po, X-series.
Magkano ang bike bundle?
3,490.
I see. And what does it have? Yung...
Yung camera itself.
Hmm,
33 feet submergible po siya.
okay.
May screen na din.
Sige. Ito. Kunin natin na. Yan.
Yes,
Go to
yes.
128 gigabytes, sir.
Okay, good, good.
Any additional, sir? Baka meron pa po kayong kailangan.
Tingnan natin.
This will serve as your warranty, sir. Ito sa lens niya. So, kahit tanggalin natin ito, pinakakalala po siya na. Pero meron pa na, sir.
Meron na. Ayan na. Testing natin. Pakita natin. Inception. Very nice.
Ganda sa
Appearance ka. Ayan, no? Lagyan mo na lang dyan.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a great day, sir.
Go din.
Thank you
Thanks,
po.
bro.
Bye po.
I am super happy. Teka, pasok muna tayo New Balance. Alright, that's it. We're going home. Ibang video na lang siguro yung test run. No? But as you saw kanina sa store, ayos naman, gumagana siya. I haven't seen the actual video quality. Yung the actual downloaded video. Yung real-time feed nakita natin, it was great. So I'm expecting the actual video to be awesome. Yeah, let's do a proper review. And that's for another video. So we're exiting the department store. Ako lang ba nakakapansin ito? Ang mga pinaka-aggressive na sales lady nasa medyas. Agawan din sila eh. Sir, may sale po tayo. Sir, Burlington. Sir, NBA socks po.